is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 26th. Let's get right to the very first article. Yahoo Finance, you know it's legit. Will Joe Biden be giving you out a fourth stimulus check? Basically, we're going to figure out more this week regarding a fourth stimulus check update. As we see the very first article, are you hoping for another round of stimulus checks, aka a fourth stimulus check update? Well, as you can actually see right here, President Joe Biden is expected to reveal details this week of a new spending plan that could actually set aside money for struggling Americans. It could potentially, allegedly include fourth stimulus check. Like I've been saying over a week ago, almost 2 weeks ago now, I've been saying Joe Biden 100% confirmed will actually have a fourth and fifth stimulus packages, guys, according to my source that actually works inside Congress. And finally, almost 2 weeks to the dot later, Yahoo Finance is basically reporting the same exact thing, that this week President Joe Biden expects to reveal details of his new spending plan, and hopefully, allegedly, it could include additional stimulus checks, just like I've said all along. We will go more in depth, more in details, and summarize this article, but let's take a look at the second article right here. Stimulus check update. Is a fourth stimulus check actually heading your way? Basically, this is a video. I'm not allowed to play video on my channel, but according to the IRS, basically they've been sending out emails to people and basically saying that a potential fourth and fifth stimulus package is actually on the way, and there's no news right now if it will or if it won't actually include, fourth and fifth direct stimulus checks. That's the second article, and then we have the third article right here. Motley Fool, again, very reputable. Stimulus check update. More payments go out. Basically, the IRS, like I just said in my last video, is saying that allegedly more stimulus packages, more stimulus checks are actually possible, and hopefully by the end of this week, today is Monday, but hopefully by Friday, we will have more credible information, news articles, news sources with, legitimate information regarding these two stimulus packages, the fourth and fifth stimulus packages, and hopefully, they actually do agree. But like I said, like I've been saying all along for over 2 weeks now, the Democrats and the Republicans have been negotiating. They've been talking via phone calls, text messages, Zoom calls, right? They've been negotiating, trying to hopefully, include some kind of next stimulus check in these packages, because Joe Biden did go on record and say if the Democrats or Republicans come to an agreement, I know they're far and few between. I know it's very, very difficult to come to an agreement between the Democrats and the Republicans, but Joe Biden did go on record and say if they can come to an agreement, he will actually send out more stimulus checks, more stimulus packages, aka a fourth stimulus check. I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know that every single day, daily, I upload 1 if not 2 videos, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift card. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway that I do every single day, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, and comment the word giveaway. As you see right here, it's the last giveaway winner right here. As you can see, I purchased an Amazon gift card, and then I took that Amazon gift card that I actually purchased and I sent it to the last giveaway winner. As you can see right here, hello, I am Teresa Stinson. That was the winner in my last video, which is daily. I said, hello, Teresa, congratulations on being the free Amazon gift card winner. Here's your free Amazon gift card code, and then she would just paste this in her Amazon account, buy something with it, or just cash it out. It's real money. And then the code right here, she would just copy and paste. I did blur it out, but like I said, this is 100% legit. Ask anybody in the comments who actually was a winner. And with that being said, let's actually pick a free Amazon gift card giveaway winner from the last video's comment section right now. I used to stimulus pay bills. Carrie Bowman, congratulations, Carrie. Please email me averagetuber@yahoo.com. One word, averagetuber@yahoo.com. Congratulations, Carrie. If you're watching this live, can we some congratulations in the chat? If you're watching this after the fact as a video, please congratulate Carrie. She is the winner. You have 24 hours to email me, Carrie. Hopefully you're watching this. That's the reason I do it like this, guys. You know why? Because every single day I upload minimum 1 video daily, and every single video I do a free Amazon gift card giveaway. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the word of the day, which today is actually giveaway. And then my next video, I'll be picking a winner from the comment section, just like I did right now. So again, hit that like, be subscribed, comment giveaway, enter the giveaway. Let's get back to the articles. Basically, according to this video right here, I'm not allowed to play it, but the IRS allegedly said that Joe Biden is set to reveal new stimulus packages, and allegedly it could actually include, a fourth and fifth stimulus check payments. Right here, guys, a 6th batch is on the way, American Rescue Plan. Basically, like I've been saying for over 2 weeks, I don't want to pat myself on the back, but I never report on BS. I have a source that actually works inside Senate, inside Congress, and they tell me 100% what's happening, like the negotiations, like that Joe Biden specifically told them that 2 more stimulus packages are on the way and to keep it hush-hush. Well, I only bring you 100% legitimate news. And right here, as you can see, very credible sources, guys, the Motley Fool. You have right here Yahoo Finance, again, just saying the same exact thing. President Joe Biden expected to reveal details this week on a new spending plan in his new package, guys, his new 4th and 5th stimulus packages. And as the IRS continues to disperse checks for up to $1,400, basically the IRS is saying if the Democrats or Republicans can actually come to an agreement, Joe Biden will in fact sign it into law. And then hopefully by the end of this week, by Friday, in the best case scenario, we will actually know that, in 2 weeks or a month from today, literally today, that we could actually expect to receive another 4th stimulus check package. Now, is it 100% confirmed? Absolutely not. I'm not going to lie to you like other YouTubers. I'm not going to lie to your face. I'm not going to manipulate you for likes. I'm going to keep it 100% honest. Is it a done deal? No. But is it being negotiated? 100% yes. Is it possible? Could it happen? Yes. 60% chance it might actually happen. It's by no means 100% done, but I like to keep you guys updated every single day because that's what I do on my channel. I look through hundreds of articles, news sources, make sure they're from credible, articles and sources. I compound them together and I just break it down so you don't have to spend hours reading articles, determining if it's legit or not legit. If it comes out of my mouth, it's 100% real. I never ever talk about something that doesn't happen. I seen someone comment, why do you do daily videos? Why not only update us, when something big happens? Because listen, clearly you don't follow politics, right? A lot of things do occur, very rapidly, very fast paced. If something happens, I make a video about it. If they don't, I don't just BS you. This is the #1 source on YouTube for politics, guys, for stimulus check news. Every single day I keep you guys updated on real news, and I don't lie to you. I don't BS you. I don't just try to get likes. I try to help people. I try to give back. I try to literally help people, through this pandemic. During, Christmas, every single day I picked a member. I gave them a free gift on top of the daily giveaways. And #2, guys, I want to help people every single day. That's a day I help someone. If you don't like that I post daily videos, guess what? No one's forcing you to watch. If you're a hater, please don't watch. You know what I mean? I don't understand why the same people come to my videos before they even go live, before I'm even live, and they dislike it. You're a hater. Don't hate on me. I'm trying to help people. How do you hate on someone that keeps people updated every single day and gives away free money every single day? This is 100% legit. Daily videos, daily giveaways, guys. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment the word of the day, which is giveaway. And if you do want to help me, if you do want to become a member, guys, hit this white join button on my channel. It only costs 99 cents. All the money goes to charity. For less than $1, it could be helping someone else in need. As a member, you get a diamond next to your name that changes colors. If you see someone with a diamond next to their name in the comments, they're a member. Not only do they get a diamond next to them that changes colors, you get members only emojis, you get members only exclusive content, you get members only community tab, you get exclusive pictures, live streams, giveaways, polls, videos. Every single video I actually go live before it goes a video. It's a live stream for my members. They're able to watch the video live beforehand. They're able to comment live in the comment section. They're able to email me giveaways. Every single month I pick one person. I do a huge Amazon giveaway. I also do have a Patreon. Some people prefer using Patreon. Click the link in the description, click join for $1. And finally, I do have my own clothing line brand. If you want 100% cotton shirts, if you want, a very good design quality, if you want to buy merch, guys, all the shirts are 100% cotton, very good quality shirts. Ask anybody who purchased it. And the best part of all, every single penny goes to someone else in need. I just want to let every single person know that if you do purchase a shirt for only $19.99, guys, you're getting a very good quality product, but all the money does go to help someone else in need, because all that money I actually just give away and give back to other people. Other people are struggling during the pandemic. So again, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe, hit this white join button if you're not already a member. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day, have a great week, have a great Monday. May God bless you all. That's it for today. Peace.